Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for another opportunity to bring you a video blog in my continuing effort to educate, inform, and bring knowledge to the people that are from Davidson, Williamson, Wilson, Sumner, Cheatham, Robertson counties, anywhere in Tennessee within the sound of my voice. This is an opportunity for you to learn, and I want to be a teacher. So today's lesson is about assault. Assault is not a table condiment next to a pepper. I'll be here for shows at 8 and 11. Anyway, assault is a crime, and the assault crime can be defined in Tennessee Code Annotated 3913-101. That says, here's what assault is. When you go before a judge looks at the law to decide if you've broken that law. And he looks at the law called Tennessee Code Annotated. So the judge is going to take out the law books and he's going to turn to 3913-101. And he's going to say this about assault. Assault is the intentional, knowing, or reckless causing of bodily injury to another. Okay? Did I hit you in the face because I meant to hit you in the face? Knowingly. Did I swing a bat? Now I say, well, I didn't mean to hit him. I just meant to swing the bat. If I meant to swing the bat and the bat connected with you, then I knowingly may have hit you. So you can be charged like that. Or recklessly. Well, Jeff, I didn't mean to hit that guy. I was just sitting here minding my own business, swinging a 2x4, when suddenly, no, your conduct was reckless. It was intentional, it was knowing or reckless. And you intentionally, knowingly, or recklessly caused bodily injury to another. What's injury? Injury is I got hurt. And you think, well, that's a little scratch. Okay, a scratch hurts. Everything from a scratch to a broken bone can be an assault. So you intentionally, knowingly, or recklessly caused injury to another person. Intentionally, knowingly, or recklessly intentionally or knowingly cause another to reasonably fear imminent bodily injury. Reasonably fear. What's reasonable? Okay, if you're watching this video and I said, I am going to hit you, don't go to court and say, I was in reasonable fear of Jeff Goldtrap hitting me. Why? Well, you're watching on a TV screen or a video connection or maybe my YouTube channel. You're watching this. There is not the first chance I'm going to reach through this screen and hit you. I hope you grew up watching cartoons like I did when I was a child, and sometimes the character would reach through the telephone line or the TV screen. It was hilarious. That doesn't happen. So you can't say, Judge, I was in reasonable fear of bodily injury because he said that on a TV screen. Now, if I were talking to you on the phone and I said, I'm right outside your house, and as soon as you step outside your house, I'm going to whip you. That might be reasonable fear. If you were outside your house and you're having maybe a picnic with your friends, and you look up and here comes Jeff Goldtrap in a very ungainly run, by the way, and I've got a big stick in my hand and I'm running and I say, I'm going to whoop you. You would be in reasonable fear of bodily injury. And you could charge me with assault. The state of Tennessee actually would charge me with assault. And I might say, well, I never touched him. I don't have to. To intentionally or knowingly cause another to reasonably fear imminent bodily injury. Or to intentionally or knowingly cause physical contact with another that a reasonable person would regard as offensive. Big words. Here's what that means. I did something that a reasonable person, would consider offensive. I would be a little offended if I walked down the road and you just threw something on me. And even if I said, man, I'm not offended. Okay, a reasonable person would be. Okay, so what did we learn today about assault? You can be charged with assault if you intentionally, knowingly, or recklessly hit somebody else and cause injury to them. It doesn't even have to be a hit, but if you injure someone, you can be charged with assault. If you do something that puts them in reasonable fear of an imminent, soon, right at the corner of an injury, a reasonable fear of an imminent injury, you can be charged with assault. If you do something that a reasonable person would be considered provocative or put me in reasonable fear of that, then you can be charged with an assault. Man, is that confusing or what? Sometimes it is. When it's confusing, you need the help of an able lawyer. Call my office, 615-254-1471. Anybody on my staff will help you if we can. If you cannot call my office, or if you cannot afford my office, call somebody. The law is there to protect you. You have rights, and the law can protect you even if you've been charged with a crime. And I want to help. I hope I've brought you some knowledge, which gives you some peace, and gives you some edification, and gives you some power. Have a great day.